Hello, just a quick reminder that you are long overdue for an upgrade. Yes, an upgrade of your financial status. I know you're already thinking about it. Or are you not tired of the little income you get monthly? One of the surest ways to do this is to tap into the endless possibilities available in the online digital world and earn in whatever currency of your choice. If you feel like you aren't cut out for this online business world, well, I am here to tell you that I felt the same way many years ago. But guess what? My financial status has never been the same since I took the bold step. I only regret not starting sooner than I did. The truth is, nobody is cut out for anything. We all learn. Don't you want to know what it feels like to never be broke? Then give yourself a chance. It all starts with a step. So what are you waiting for? Take that bold step into the digital world now and see the endless possibilities available to you. Like this video, follow me